Ladies and gentlemen, Rush Limbaugh.
They say that I'm sneeze and elitist, you please. Everybody disagrees with my rap. I'm horrendous, I'm appalling. My ratings now are falling because I'm so full of bull, so full of crap. With condescending cries, making money, selling lies. You might say everybody hates my guts. I'm offensive, I'm a bigot, I'm a fraud. Can you dig it? I'm a sexist, racist, homophobic, fat, pathetic putz. I'm a Nazi. That's right, I really am, because I'm a Nazi. That's right, you're being scammed. I'm a Nazi. I don't care about the middle class, because I'm a fat conservative butthead with the face of a horse's ass.
He's a fat conservative butthead.
Hey,
with the face of a horse's ass.
I have a subhuman figure, a huge rear end. My brain, that's another story.
It's quite another
I have a face the size of a wash tub, and my ass is as big as Missouri. Yes!
This bastard is sick, he's a fat mob this big, and his ass is as big as Missouri.
Yes, Curry Bob! Manipulating statements, exaggerating the truth. I can't believe they hate my show in style. It's not just because I'm stupid. It's not just because I'm scum. It's just because Republicans are liars. I am heartless. I am vain, insensitive, insane. They say that I'm a national disgrace. I am nasty, insulting, basically revolting. I'm a concentrated pile of human waste. Because I'm a Nazi. I really am. Because I'm a Nazi. That's right, you're being scammed. I'm a Nazi. I don't care about the middle classes. I'm a sick Republican sleazeball with the face of a horse's ass.
He's a sick Republican sleazeball with the face of a horse's ass.
They say that this is not about my vanity. They doubt my sanity. They think I'm nuts. I am a cyst on the ass of humanity. New Republican slogan, read my tuts. From the bowels of H.O.K. comes the voice of Rush Limbaugh. Because I'm a Nazi. I really am. Because I'm a Nazi. You're being scammed. I'm a Nazi. I don't care about the middle class because I'm a fear-mongering scumbag with the face of a horse's ass. Fat conservative butthead. Hey, sick Republican sleazeball. Fear-mongering scumbag. Egotistical asswipe. Mean-spirited, hog-wallering fat conservative putz. With the